Hello and welcome to Quick Solution. Today I am going to show you how you can recover your Twitter account without email address or mobile phone. So in order to do that, you have to open your browser and search for the address help.twitter.com. And this will lead you to this page, and you have to scroll to the very bottom of this page right here and select this section where it says help and go for the option right here, contact us, just the very last option. So this is a list of the topics right here, but you have to search and find these problems with account access and hit this option right here, and this will lead you to a new page, and it says how can we help you with your account. So I'm just going to hit on that, and I just have to select the option I need to regain access to my Twitter account. Okay, so this as you can see, we have a new option right here, please tell us more. So I have to select the option right here. I'm having a problem authenticating in my account, so this will bring us to a form that we need to fill in, and you have to insert right here your Twitter username as well as an email address that you have access to in order to receive the answer for the Twitter team. And right here you have to describe your problem with as many details as you can and provide as many informations as you can in order to make sure that you will regain access to your Twitter account. So once you are done with that, just hit the submit button, and this will send a message directly to the Twitter support team, and then you'll have to wait for them to reply back to you. So this is all for today, guys, and if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.